Okay, so today is Noah and the Ark, understanding the animals on Noah's Ark. I've been diving into the story of Noah's Ark, and I've come across some really interesting details about the animals that were on board. When we think of a Noah's Ark, we often picture animals matching 2 by 2. While it's true for many, there's more to the story. Noah was instructed to bring 1 male and 1 female, obviously for repopulating the earth after the flood. For clean animals, brought pairs of every kind. It doesn't specifically list what kinds, but he did bring 7 pairs of clean animals. For clean animals, those were suitable for sacrifices. Noah took 7 pairs, so that's 14 animals of each clean species. So 7 pairs of birds, just like the clean animals. 7 pairs of each type of bird were brought onto the ark. Noah's Ark wasn't just filled with single pairs of every animal. It included extra numbers of certain types. What kinds of animals were taken? The Bible groups animals into broad categories rather than listing specific species. So there were land animals, birds, and clean and unclean animals. This includes various mammals, reptiles, and insects. While we don't get a detailed list, this would cover creatures like lions, elephants, snakes, and other critters. As for birds, he had a bird of every kind, from majestic eagles to tiny little sparrows were included. Clean animals were those that were suitable for sacrifice, such as sheep and cattle, while unclean animals weren't specifically detailed. But there was some suspicion about pigs being an unclean animal. Why no specific breeds? The Bible talks about general types of animals rather than the specific breed, which was common in ancient times. The story emphasizes preserving entire kinds of animals rather than documenting every kind of breed or every breed. So I gathered these insights from reading in Genesis chapter 6 through 8 and exploring various commentaries and resources that explain the text in detail. It never said the name or type of animal. It was obviously a mammal, a reptile, and insects, but it didn't say tigers and lions and bears. Oh my. Understanding the historical and cultural context helps to shed light on these fascinating details. I hope this clears up some of the mystery of Noah's Ark. If you have any more questions or you want to dive deeper into this part of the story, just let me know and I'll be right here to help.